nouns and adjectives out of a basic word. If we have a word like expense, then from expense we have expensive, and then expenditure. Expensive is an adjective. We talk about expensive medical care. Expensive. So this is adjective. When we say expenditure, this is a noun. So this we can use on its own. This we can't use on its own. It has to come before a noun. As I've given the example here, adjective comes before a noun. So that is what we can do in order to discuss this topic. And then we can see whether we agree or disagree. As I mentioned, we can use a proverb or some other proof to show that we are in favor of this particular part. You can say that it is my opinion that prevention is better than cure. So that can be a good last sentence for this topic. But you have to give reasons. Why? So, for example, money is a very big reason. This is obviously more expensive than this. Health education may not be so expensive as treating the diseases. So that may be more expensive. So one aspect is the money factor. Another aspect can be the need for health care. More health care is needed here. Here we need some people, health workers, dietitians, who will tell people what is the way to good health right from the beginning, so that they are not susceptible to disease. So another point can be that saving of the work hours. So if a person gets ill, even if they spend a lot of money in the medical treatment, still the time will be lost. The work will be lost. Person will not be able to work for a long time. Whereas if health education is there, then people can work and they can be more productive to the society. So that is one reason why the second point can be supported. So there can be a lot of points given. The conclusion of this is that you have to think very carefully about a topic like this. You cannot take it lightly. You have to see what are the arguments for this part, what are the arguments for this part, and then you can express whether you agree or disagree. Finally, to what extent is important. To what extent? What does this mean? It means either you completely agree with something, or you completely disagree with something, or you completely or partially disagree and partially agree. So there can be any kind of level of agreement or disagreement. That means that this topic is quite open. You can express your own opinion. You can show whether you agree somewhat with the first part. For example, you can say that I agree that good medical facilities are needed for the treatment of disease in every country. And remember, you have to give examples. You can give examples of the medical and the health services in your own country. You can give examples of the medical and health services in other countries. And those examples can help you to support your argument, whether you agree or disagree with either of the